Hi students, you all are welcome to this English lesson. Then let's see I am going to tell about notice. At the end of this lesson, my dear students, you will be able to learn, read and analyze a notice and then design a notice for given situation and understand the vocabulary needed to write a notice. My dear students, I think you all know and have heard what is a notice. Then why do we learn it? My dear students, why do we learn notice? You all have known and have read the meaning of a notice. Why it is important to learn? Let's see what is a notice is. Let's learn what is a notice. You will see the meaning of the notice. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to specific group of people. Notices are generally made to pinned up on specific display boards, whether in schools or in public places. I think you all got that idea of a notice. Then my dear students, actually why it is important to learn notice? Whether you are in grade 10 or 11 students, you will definitely get the question like this. Then do you know how many marks you will get for this? 5 marks. After learning this, you will be able to get 5 marks for this question. Let's see how it is easy for you to write. Then I gave one question for you to easier to write. Then let's read. You are the secretary of the nature club of your school and you have organized a photographic exhibition. Write a notice to be put up on the school notice board informing the members about this. Use about 40 to 50 words. When you write a notice, please remember the words you have been given under the question. Then what is the first one? Date, time and venue. Next, for whom it is and the chief guest and the purpose. I know you all have familiar with those words. Right, let's see how we write this. Right, let's see. My dear students, pay your special attention to the highlighted words. The Nature Club of Gampole Vidyalaya has organized a photographic exhibition to celebrate the Environmental Day. It will be held on 7th of June 2021 in the school auditorium from 9:30 am to 2:30 pm. Mr. Hera, the Zonal Director of Education, will be the chief guest. All the grades 10 and 11 students are kindly invited. Please remember the prepositions you have been given for this. The first one on. My dear students, please remember where and why do we use the preposition. When we mention a date, we use the word on in front of the date, and then the preposition in. It is used for a place or venue, and then from. Please remember, when we used to use two times, we use the word from in front of the word. If we don't want to use two times, we use at before the time. And remember, please remember, after you finished your notice, you have to put your signature on your right hand side and the date on your left hand side. See how it is very easy to write. Then there is another way to write the same notice. Let's see how it is written. The same notice we have written in another way. Notice, the Nature Club of Gampala Vidyalaya has organized a photographic exhibition. Then we can write according to the point forms. Date, the word on before the date, on 20th of June 2021. Time, remember the word from, 9:30 to 2:30 p.m. The venue or place, we can use the same word. In the school auditorium, the chief guest, Mr. Herath, the Zonal Director of Education, and the purpose, you know what the meaning of the purpose. I'll give you the meaning of all the words after the lesson. The purpose, to celebrate the Environmental Day. All for whom we write, for all the grade 10 and 11 students are kindly invited. The signature and the date. My dear students, I think you all have got an idea how to write a notice. It is very easy. I think after this lesson, you will all be able to write or get 5 marks or full marks for this question. Then I have put a question on the screen. Let's try to read. Read the following notice and complete the blanks using the given words or phrases. Right. What you are going to do, you have to fill the blanks using the given words. These are the words you have been given. The sports meet of blank will be held on blank, at blank, in blank. The chief guest will be blank, or the parents and the past pupils are cordially invited. Date. Right, I'll give you 2 times to write it down. My dear students, I think you will get the time. Let's try to fill the blanks. The sports meet of Maliyadeva girls will be held on 1st February 2020 at 1:30 p.m. in the school playground. The chief guest will be the famous cricketer Mr. Rangama Herath. All the parents and the past pupils are cordially invited. Right? See how it is very easy to get full marks for this question. Definitely you will get this question for grade 10 and 11 paper. Then I gave you another question. Try to write that. Write it down. Right. Let's read. The members of the Welfare Society of your school are planning to hold the Shramadana campaign to clean the regional hospital of your area. As the secretary of the Welfare Society, write a notice to be put up on the school notice board. Pay your special attention to the given words. Include the following. First one, date. You know how to write the date and the time. Remember the precautions I explained to you earlier. And venue, the purpose, the equipment to be brought. Right? This is the answer for your question. See how it is used, the members of the welfare society. We can get the answer from the question. My dear students, please remember, you will be able to get the 5 marks and the full marks for these questions, because all the words and the places have been taken from the questions. The members of the welfare society of Sumangala Madhya Mahavidyalaya has organized a Shramadana campaign to clean the Varyapola Regional Hospital on 12th of June 2021 from 9 am to 2:30 pm at the hospital premises. All the parents and the students are kindly requested to bring rakes, epigrams, knives and other necessary equipment. Secretary, Welfare Society, and the date. My dear students, I know you all are happy and enjoy with this lesson. Thank you. Till we meet again another lesson. Bye.